Yesenia, there's still a little bit of plagiarism in the second summary response entry. And let me show you where it is. Okay, these are fine because this quotation marks here, that makes it fine. Oh, that's the name of the article, sorry. But the quotation marks here, that makes this one fine. But it's here. So when it's kind of spotty like this, so the strictest definition of plagiarism is 3 words in a row, the same as the original. And here, it's really, this is the problem right here, because you've got about 10 words in a row. So either you need to put this in your own words or put it in quotation marks. I'm going to go ahead and give you the points for this assignment, but I just, if this gets replicated in your essay, that's the real problem. And I'd like you to fix it for your long annotated bibliography too. I'm going to go ahead and give you the points for this now, but just fix this one, okay? Either put it in quotation marks or your own words. All right.